It just keep getting better and better. This looks good. This wig is so convenient. I have so many wigs. I need to get rid of some of them soon, but I don't think I have a lot of wigs with bangs. Let's get into it. What the wig look like straight out the box. It's a beautiful fluffy curled wig. It comes pre-curled, super soft, nice and fluffy. And then it comes with the bang with a roller, and then the knots are really small, so it's easy to work with. That construction look like. They have the built-in adjustable strap with the comb, and also the bang hairstyle is very convenient. If you have a problem with gluing your lace, you can go glueless. It comes curled, and as you can see, you may want to do just a little bit of adjustments to the bang so that you can get it where you like it. So before I do that, I'm gonna show you guys what the lace look like. Hairline on this is still gorgeous. Even with the bang, they give you a gorgeous hairline. So with the lace, it stops right here at the ear area. So you still have hair down on this end on both sides. I'm gonna take a bit of my melting spray, and this is going to just hide the lace that you can see. I think the melting spray works just fine, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of that right around the hairline. I'm just gonna take my bronzer, and I do have a full video on showing you the proper way to do this so that it blends right. But for now, I'm just going to just add a little bit to my brush, and I'm just gonna touch the lace with a little bit of bronzer so that it can blend in. More so than the ends, just so I can even this out some. I'm gonna bend it with the curler. This is so simple. I love how this looks already. You can just kind of brush the curls out, fluff them out. This hair is super soft. So yeah, look at that. So pretty. And instantly you have a style. Gorgeous. I don't even need to do anything to the top part. I can probably just lay this area down right here. But when you have a nice little bang that's already on there, if you mess up and don't feel like doing it over, you just pull the bang forward. It's very convenient. So you can also do a cute updo. So what now it looked like it's in a ponytail. I really like that. Let me curl this piece. Even though this is a bang style, you can still style it very cute. You don't have to be stuck in just wearing one style. Let me show you the back of. Very versatile, as you can see. But I can also take it and pull this part up so I don't hang it all. And I'm just gonna pin it. This wig is so versatile, so don't be scared to get yourself a wig with a bang, or just wanting a break from on your hair, but add a bang or get a bang. Like, you don't have to worry about blending your lace, you don't have to worry about your hairline showing, and it's just a really cute style. I love the bang, especially with the updo. It's very elegant. You know, you got prom season coming, maybe a wedding. I think this style will definitely be great for that. And that parting looks so good. And the hairline is still down. It looks very good too. So yeah, I'm gonna link this wig below. It's a really pretty style. I'll be sure to link this wig below in the description box. Be sure to check down there. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about the bang. Super long hair, and it's really soft. It was still workable. I was still able to work it into a style. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for joining me back. Happy Friday.